Sweet, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Ken from Alliance here with a sweet message. Today's message is from a new series I want to start up called Who Cares? So we have a machine here on our floor. It's a small, what we call E-series. This machine was manufactured in 1996. So you can see that it's got a lot of wear and tear. It's, I'll say, been around the block and back. So it looks pretty rough. But I have confidence in our equipment. Even though this machine is 26 years old, I remember this machine personally because I actually delivered it down to Rockford, Illinois. So I have confidence in it. We bought it back. We're going to run it through our R3 program and get it reconditioned, retool, and ready for reuse. So you might ask yourself, well, what's the who cares part about it? Well, the who cares part is that this specific little machine was used for cleaning curled hinge plates. It cleaned literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of curled hinge plates. So if you have a door on your home, for example, and you have a hinge or many other hinge uses, you know, the surface finish on the hinge needs to be properly cleaned before it goes into, you know, to be sold to an end customer. So if you have a door on your home, then I would say you probably care. You want that finish to last. That's important. Just one of the many sweet things going on here at Alliance. Have a great day.